What makes the MINI Convertible such a standout in its class? It is not just about the open-air driving experience, but also the heritage, innovation, and craftsmanship behind it. Now, for the first time since 2015, production of the MINI Cooper Convertible is back at MINI Plant Oxford, reuniting it with the rest of the MINI Cooper lineup. This marks a significant moment for the Oxford facility, which is known as the home of MINI. With the addition of the convertible, alongside the 3-door and 5-door variants, the plant now fully represents the MINI Cooper family. The 4th-generation MINI Cooper Convertible brings a fresh exterior design, an upgraded cabin made with sustainable materials, and the latest in-car technology to enhance the driving experience. According to Stefan Richmann, head of MINI, this model is special not only for its distinct design and connectivity, but also for the joy and freedom it delivers. The combination of modern technology with classic MINI styling makes this new iteration a true representation of the brand's identity. Bringing the MINI Cooper Convertible to life is a collective effort across multiple United Kingdom-based BMW Group facilities. BMW Group Plant Swindon is responsible for the body pressings and sub-assemblies, while BMW Group Plant Hamshall in North Warwickshire produces the advanced 4-cylinder petrol engines. The final assembly, paint and body shell production all take place at MINI Plant Oxford. Marcus Gruneisel, who oversees the Oxford and Swindon plants, expressed pride in his team's ability to launch 3 new models at Oxford this year. He emphasized the strong sense of achievement and the workforce's dedication to bringing the convertible back to its original home. The MINI Convertible has been a part of the brand's history since 2004, when the first-generation model was unveiled. That first iteration, which was built at MINI Plant Oxford from 2004 to 2008, featured a retro-inspired design with its distinctive chrome rollover arches positioned behind the rear seats. More than 160,000 units were produced, making it an instant favorite. The second-generation model arrived in 2009 and remained in production at Oxford until 2015, with 165,000 units built. This version retained the well-loved drop-down hinged boot, but adopted the sleeker, more modern design of the Cooper from that era. For the third generation, production moved to VDL Nedcar to accommodate the MINI Clubman at Oxford. Between 2015 and 2023, over 150,000 units of the convertible were produced at Nedcar. Now, after nearly a decade, the convertible is back at its original manufacturing site, MINI Plant. Oxford, which celebrated its 110th anniversary in 2023, has a long-standing legacy of innovation and excellence. Last year alone, the plant was responsible for over 20% of all cars manufactured in the United Kingdom, cementing its role as a key player in the country's automotive industry. The latest MINI Cooper Convertible is offered with 2 petrol engine options, producing either 163 horsepower or 204 horsepower. Pricing starts at £27,170 on the road, making it a compelling option for those looking for a stylish, open-top driving experience with MINI's signature go-kart-like handling.